अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Yes. Now I have opened uh, exercise 6. Today I told you that I will take exercise 6. I will explain here, and after that you have to complete it. Have opened. Now in this exercise, question is there. حول المبتدا في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. حول المبتدا في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. Change mubtada in every sentence from the following sentences to jama. Mubtada will be changed to jama. Like first sentence is there, at-talibu yadkhulul fasla. At-talibu, you know mubtada? Do you know mubtada? What is mubtada? Do you know? Because here question is coming that you have to change mubtada into jama. So what is mubtada? Who is doing this? Who has done? Huh? Yes, tell me what I am asking. You have to answer for it. Mubtada. Do you know? The marfu noun from which any sentence starts is called mubtada. The marfu noun which have rafa, which is coming in rafa condition and having zamma, or the i'rab which comes for zamma or for rafa condition. So marfu ism by which sentence starts is called mubtada. The marfu noun, marfu means what I said. Marfu means which is coming in rafa condition having zamma. Don't do. That is called mubtada. Like at-talibu yadkhulul fasla. First sentence is coming, at-talibu yadkhulul fasla. So at-talibu will be mubtada because sentence is starting with it and it has zamma. So it will be mubtada. So here what you have to do, you have to change mubtada into jama. Sentence is at-talibu yadkhulul fasla. You are looking na, all of you? So at-talibu yadkhulul fasla. The at-talibu is mufrad or jama? Tell me. At-talibu is mufrad or jama? It is singular or plural? Eh? It is mufrad. है ना? What we have to do? What happened? One by one you have to ask. First of all, you have to raise your hand and then you have to ask. Now listen. At-talibu is mufrad. Yes, Laiba. What you are asking? Just unmute your mic and ask. Laiba, what is the question? Nothing. So you have to, eh? Like mute your mic. Did not clear. Zamma. This is pesh. Pesh is called zamma. Understand? Zabar is called fatha and zer is called kasra. In Arabic, Arab will be called zamma fatha kasra. Zamma fatha kasra. Now clear? Hmm. Maybe. What's possible? Khabar may be verb also. Khabar may be harfe jar and majroor also. Understand? As you are saying na, at-talibu fil fasli. At-talibu fil fasli. So fil fasli will be khabar and at-talibu will be mubtada. Because mubtada is called the noun by which sentence starts, and it will have zamma. It will be in rafa condition. If this condition is found, so we will say that this is mubtada, and after that what is coming will be called khabar. Understood? Now here question is there that you have to change mufrad mubtada into jama. So what is jama of at-talibu? Talibun's jama. Yes, mashallah. Yes, mashallah. So at-tullabu. Yes, fine. I have changed it at-tullabu. After at-tullabu, it will be yadkhulu. Yadkhulu will be fine, or it is mufrad sigha. Yadkhulu comes for mufrad, or it can come for jama also. It comes for mufrad. If it is coming after noun, so verb will be according to noun. If verb comes after noun, so it will be according to noun. As you have done in exercise third, fourth and fifth both. Exercise fourth and fifth you have done that when it is coming after who is doing this? What is going on, Shumaila? What are you doing? So I told that talibu was mufrad, so verb was mufrad. At-tullab is jama, so verb will be jama according it. This is jama and muzakkar, that's why verb will come jama and muzakkar. So it will be yadkhuluna. So at-tullabu yadkhuluna al-fasla. Now clear? Yes, this exercise you have to do in copy. Now, what I explained? I explained that noun verb will be changed according that noun which is coming before it. है ना? Verb will be according mubtada. Mubtada is mufrad, so verb is mufrad. And when we change mubtada into jama, it became jama. And it will be, if it is muzakkar, so it will be muzakkar, and if it is muannas, so sigha will come muannas also. Now it is clear? Have written? Have done it? Now अब I am writing sentence 6. Sentence 6, it is coming muannas. Ukhti tabhasu anil miknasati. My sister is searching or looking for the broom. So I am writing this. This sentence you have written. Which is written? This sentence I have written. Which is written on board. It is done in copy, or you can write in book also. But in book space is not too much. So you should write in a copy. Now done. I am going to erase. That's why. May I erase? Only one voice is coming. Boys, no boys telling. Boys are not in class. Boys are not in. Now it is clear. I have written in copies or book. Anywhere you have written. Now I am going to erase. To this is for मुजक्कर है ना. मुजक्कर जमा मुजक्कर तो fail will also come जमा मुजक्कर. If it will be muannas like I am writing 6 sentence. उख्ती तबहसु अनिल मिकनसती. Now उख्ती. उख्ती is mufrad or jama? Mufrad. What is jama of ukhtun? Yeah, very good, mashallah. Akhawatun. Now it will be akhawati. Akhawati. It became jama, है ना. Jama and muannas. So what will come here? Tabhasu will come. Singular siga or jama will come. Tabhasu to will not come because it is to mufrad muannas. What is tabhasuna for jama muzakkar. Jama muzakkar, it is coming jama muzakkar. You have to tabhasane musanna. Tabhasane musanna, you both musanna or you two, and then they two girls. Two to is not there. Here to it is jama siga, jama muannas siga. Yabhas jama muannas, jama muannas siga. Yabhasna, yes. Jama muannas siga will come yabhasna. It will come yabhasna. Akhawati yabhasna anil miknasati. अखवाती यबहसना, तो अखवाती इज जमा मुअन्नस, सीगा विल कम जमा मुअन्नस. When it was उख्ती मुफरद, तो it came मुफरद सीगा. Yes, I have sent you फेल मुजारा गर्दान. Have you written in copies and memorized? It looks that you have. No, you have written but not memorized. It looks like that you haven't done practice. How you will do when if you will not memorize it? Now how one girl told only yabhasna. You are asking tabhasane, tabhasu. So one girl told only that ki yabhasna will come. For muannas, jama muannas, if mubtada is coming jama muannas, it will be jama muannas. Sigha will come jama muannas. Verb will come according to noun if it is coming after noun, means after mubtada. And if it is muzakkar, तो मुज़क्कर सीगा will come, and if it is मुअन्नस, मुअन्नस सीगा will come. Yes, Laiba, what do you want to ask? Laiba, unmute your mic and tell clearly, है ना? I'm not understanding properly. Voice is not coming properly. What do you want to ask? Laiba, why you have raised your hand? Now, one by one, you have to make sentence. Now, second sentence, Rufaida Manal. Second sentence, change it and translate it. Unmute your mic and tell. Ar-rajulu ya'kulul aruzza. Now, yes. Yes. Now, ar-rajulu. Make it jama. Ar-rijalu. Yes. Ar-rijalu. What will come? Yakulu will not come. It is correct. It will not come. What will come? Ya'kuluna. Ar-rijalu ya'kuluna, because they are third person. Third person plural masculine. So sigha will come third person masculine, plural masculine. What it will be? Ar-rijalu ya'kuluna. Now, very good, mashallah. Next one. Next. Yes. Next one. What is your name? Tell your name first. No. Rufaida, you done. You have done up now. You have to leave. Unmute your mic. Oh, mute your mic. Next one. Yes. Foria Afifa. Anyone is there? Yes. Yes. Unmute.